Your brain is a sponge. It doesn't need rules. It needs life. Forget the classroom. Forget the dictionary. For the next 5 minutes, don't study. Just live. Let's start the day. The bed. Wake up. Turn off the alarm. Fold the blanket. Open the curtain. Open the window. Put on the slippers. Look at the mirror. Turn on the water. Wash my face. Dry with a towel. Brush the teeth. Comb the hair. Open the fridge. Take an egg. Ignite the stove. Pour the oil. Crack the egg. Fry the egg. Add some salt. Spread the butter. Eat the bread. Pour hot water. Put some sugar. Stir the coffee. Wash the plate. Dry the glass. Throw the trash.
Now it's your turn. Can you remember?
Open the curtain. Look at the mirror. Wash my face. Brush the teeth. Pour the oil. Spread the butter. Wash the plate. You didn't memorize a single word today, but your brain now knows the activities at home look like in English. That is the secret. Context is everything. If you feel smarter after watching this, let me know in the comments. See you later.